Hey guys, Samantha here. So today I gotta help nature grow because I see some like trash bags stuff in my backyard and over the fences. So today I gotta help nature grow. So I have my gloves on because they will attack from the bacteria out there. So here's our first one. Gosh, poison ivy. I get to get it for a Gosh, this. So this is why we want nature to grow. It's because sometimes when trash go into grass and stuff and plants and nature, sometimes it's not good for like bears and stuff, and sometimes it could kill them. Seriously. Or the plants. So that's why we want nature to grow. So here's our third one right here. So let me try to grab it. Oh my gosh, that's so hard to grab. Oh, there it goes. And now add it to our collection. Here it is. Here's our fourth one. Oh wait, that's a leaf. Sorry, y'all. So this why that you can't litter because you can't litter during nature because it's not good for them, and like some animals could get them, and it's not good for them because sometimes it has bacteria in it that make them really, really sick. So this is all I could find. Sorry about that, y'all. There was a bee. So now it's gonna put them in the garbage. Okay, time to go in the garbage. In 3, 2, 1. So now we help nature. So please don't litter. And it's important to our environment to grow. So anyways, like and subscribe for more. Bye.